Have you guys ever wanted to make a box fight map, but like you just don't know how to? Well, this is the video for you. So, first off, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go new island, create new. I'm gonna do a grid island. It basically doesn't matter because like the box fight's gonna be really slow, really small. Sorry, not slow. I'm gonna select a grid island, confirm. I'm just gonna call it box fight tutorial. You guys call it whatever you want. Yeah, and then you're just gonna want to go like confirm, and it should make a map. So now once you load into the map, I'll show you guys what to do. So as you can see, I loaded into the map. I'm just gonna go down. Yeah, so basically what you guys are gonna want to do, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a 5x5 box fight. So if you want to make anything bigger, you can kind of just copy the stuff except make it one bigger. You don't have to do it in the center of the map, by the way. I'm just doing it in the center of the map. So basically, you're going to want to go to galleries first and choose any floor and wall you want. For now, I can just use something random. I'm just going to use like the classics, right? This doesn't look that good. It's pretty much like the classic thingy. I do not recommend using this, but if you guys want to, you can use it. So yeah, I'm just gonna open. So you used to have to place galleries. Now you can just open galleries. So this is what I like to do. Oops, this is the wrong gallery. This is grip tape, and it's see. You're gonna want to go to open. You're gonna want to get. This is what you want. You're gonna want to get like a floor. That's pretty much it. Cause for walls you can do like a different color if you want. Now once you get that floor, you're gonna want to do like the color you want. I'm gonna do red. Now you're gonna get that wall. Now, this is pretty simple. You're just gonna wanna make your box. I'm gonna be doing a 5x5, so you're gonna wanna make sure it's 5. So yeah, this should be 5x5, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is 5x5. Now what you guys wanna do for the walls, I'm gonna do a 2 high. You guys can do whatever you want. Oh, wrong side. I'm sorry about that, guys. Yeah, this should be right. Now I'm just gonna yep. So this is pretty easy. You're just gonna be like that. Now I can just copy the whole thing. You know what? That's actually dumb. I'm just gonna do it normally. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm just gonna be like, yeah. So yeah, this is a pretty it's like sometimes it'll take a long time depending on how big your thing is. But we're just gonna start on like making the box, right? Oh yeah, we can delete the scraps later. I'm just gonna delete them now just to keep it clean. They don't see the outside, so it doesn't really matter. But if you wanna keep your memory low or just, I don't know, whatever you want. Now you're going to want to make the roof. You can never forget the roof. You don't want people going out of the map. And yeah, so once you do this, make sure you have phase on and you can just fly right in. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're gonna make it so that people spawn with guns and healing, right? So you're gonna want to make sure in your settings, you're gonna want to make sure infinite ammo is off. If it's on, then that can mess up your island because they'll have like infinite flippers and stuff. So what you're gonna want to do is go to devices, and you're gonna want to keep scrolling down until you find this team settings and inventory. We're not gonna be changing any of the settings. All we're gonna want to do is just take all of the stuff you want. So the guns that I recommend would be a purple pump and then a blue AR. Okay, so once you have those, you're gonna want to go to consumables. You're gonna want to get a lot of AR ammo, right? And then a lot of shotgun ammo. It doesn't really matter the amount, just get a lot. Then you're gonna want to make sure you get a slurp fish. And you can do how many ever minis. I'm gonna go with 2 minis. Once you have all the stuff you want, you're gonna wanna go to here and drop all the stuff in. And by the way, the order that you drop it in will be the order that people receive it in. Once you've done that, now you've pretty much completed the basic stuff where people will get their guns and stuff. But now you need to make it so people can you need to make it so people can't break out, right? So what a lot of people say is just like make it so pickaxe damage is off. But you could do that, but like I wouldn't do that. Sorry, it's something else, but basically you just turn off environment damage off, and yeah, building can destroy environment to no. Now, once you've done that, the box fight map is almost done. Now you're just going to want to go to my island again. Make sure max shields, and make sure starting shield is on 100. And infinite ammo, make sure that's off. Now, wait, I think I forgot to give the people wood. I'm sorry about that. Let me just make sure I forgot. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I might have forgot to give them wood. Yeah, I forgot to give them wood. So basically, you're just going to go to here. I'm going to give them 500. Equip. Now I'm going to drop it. Okay, so that should be pretty nice. Now you're just going to go to my island and turn infinite resources off. Now you're almost done. You're just going to go to here and make it so that spawn limit. Oh, sorry, guys. If I want to make it 1, then total rounds, I'm just going to make that 100. If you want to do placement points, you can check out my next video. By the time you're watching this, it might be posted, or you can just wait for me to post it. Now, this is one of the most important things. You're going to want to do last standing ends game. You need to make sure that's on, okay? Now you'll end the game and you'll have a working box fight map. Except if someone is last standing, they might not actually win the game. Like, I don't know if you understand, but they won't win. So basically, like, the game will end, but they won't win. So scoreboard tiebreaker 1, you're gonna want to make it. Sorry, scoreboard win condition. Sorry. You're gonna want to make it where I saw it. You're gonna want to make it time alive. That way this should work. And then for scoreboard tiebreaker 1, you can add assists or any of that stuff that you want to do. Now, make sure you have this on 3. And your box fight should work. Now just start the game. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, I completely forgot the most important thing. Oh my god, I am extremely sorry. Sorry if this is like a slow tutorial for you guys. Yeah, so you're just gonna click return to island. And yeah, so once you return to island, you're gonna want to do some of the most important things that I completely forgot to do. You're gonna want to put spawn pads. So you're gonna want to go to devices, do spawn pads, equip a bunch of them, and another thing you're gonna want to do is barriers. Make sure you have a bunch of those too. Now you want to put the spawn pads in a diagonal fashion. You're not gonna place them on every one. If you place them on every one, it could mess up the thing, because you need to put barriers between people, because you don't want people to be shooting like people as soon as the game starts. Now you're just going to want to make visible during games to off for all of them. I'm not going to do that in this tutorial. I'm just going to turn it back on. I'm not going to do that for this tutorial, but you guys should do that. Otherwise, your thing could look really scuffed. Now you're going to want to take barriers, just place them in every single one. And you're going to have to change some settings for the barriers. Okay, so now you're going to want to change, basically you're going to want to make barrier height. Sorry, not there. You're going to want to make it to 2 and just keep it on 1. Okay? And you can make the color to like black. I would make it to like sky blue, or I would make it like blue force field. That way, it basically looks as if there's something like between. So basically, like, you can't go through, right? But then we don't want the barrier for the whole game. So we're gonna say disable one receiving from. We're gonna put it on 1. Okay? Now what you guys are gonna wanna do is right here, you're gonna wanna take an explosive device. By the way, you're gonna want to put that for all of them. I'm just too lazy to do that because I don't want to like make the video really long. And you might be saying, oh, I could edit it out. I'm really sorry. I do not know how to edit videos. I'm really bad at that. I've edited like one of my videos, but I'm really bad at that. So you're gonna want to go to here. There's gonna be like one exploded transient on channel 1, and you're gonna be like, you're gonna want to do health 1. It doesn't really matter. Structure damage, that doesn't really matter. You just want to make blast radius so it doesn't like damage anything. Then you're going to want to make audio has VFX onto off, and then you should be done. Sorry, there's one more thing. You're going to want to do time to animation from game start. Just make it 3 seconds. Actually, you can make it 4. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make you're gonna search HUD and it should show up. Oh my god, I'm really sorry guys. Equip. Now 4, you wanna put 4 of them. Okay, well I don't have enough space, but so yeah. So for your first one, you're gonna wanna do message 3. And display time is going to do for 1 second, and do time from round start to 1. Okay? Now you're going to want to do this. Message, you're going to want to do 2. Okay? And you're going to want to do time from round start, display time, and then time from round start, make sure that's on 2. Okay? Now for this last, not the last one, you're going to want to make it 3. Wait, sorry, not 3. 1. Oh my god. 1. And you're going to want to make it display time, make sure it's 1 second, and then time from round start 3. And then for the last one, you're going to want to make go or whatever. And you're going to want to make it for, you can make it for like 2 seconds if you want, and you're going to want to make it 4 seconds from game start. And now your thing should be working. Yeah, your thing should be pretty much working. I'm going to start the game for you guys. Two, 1. Why is there a barrier here? Oh, I screwed up. I messed up the settings. I'm sorry. But yeah, the box fight should be pretty much working by the end of that. And yeah, sorry the quality of this video is really bad, but like, if this does not work, just type it in the comments. I have a working box fight map. This tutorial probably will it's probably not that good. But just comment whatever's wrong with the tutorial and I'll be able to fix it. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for you guys. So, peace out.